Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the system. Then let's scroll down again and find reset options, and here we've got the network preferences divided into two different options. So we've got first of all mobile network settings and then Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And basically the whole operation looks pretty similar, so simply tap on them, tap on reset settings, confirm everything, and tap on reset settings again. And this is how it works regarding mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Simply tap on it and tap on reset, and as you can see, we've got the same information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.